The Social Construction of Reality is a foundational text in sociology, authored by Peter L. Berger and Thomas Luckmann, first published in 1966. The book presents a comprehensive framework for understanding how social phenomena are created and maintained through interactions and perceptions within society. The authors argue that reality is not an objective entity that exists independently of human beings. Rather, it is constructed through social processes and interactions. This summary explores the central themes and concepts presented in the book. The concept of reality. Berger and Luckmann start by challenging the traditional notions of reality, proposing that it is a subjective construct shaped by human experiences. They introduce the idea that individuals are not merely passive observers of reality, but active participants in its construction. The authors argue that the world we perceive is not simply given. It is made meaningful through social processes that involve language, communication, and shared understanding. The social process of reality construction. The authors outline a three-step process through which reality is socially constructed. 1. Externalization. This is the initial stage where individuals project their subjective experience and interpretations into the social world. Externalization occurs through communication and social interactions, where personal meanings and ideas are expressed and shared. The externalization of ideas leads to the formation of social norms, values, and institutions. 2. Objectivation. In this stage, the externalized concepts and ideas take on a life of their own, becoming objective realities. Once shared and accepted by a society, these concepts gain legitimacy and are seen as part of the objective social order. The authors emphasize that objectivation is crucial because it solidifies the social constructions, making them appear as fixed entities rather than fluid ideas. 3. Internalization. The final step is internalization, where individuals adopt the objective realities created through externalization and objectivation. This process involves individuals learning and accepting the norms, values, and beliefs of their society, which become part of their subjective reality. Internalization shapes individual identities and worldviews, reinforcing the constructed social reality. The role of language. Language plays a vital role in the construction of reality, as it is the primary medium through which externalization occurs. Berger and Luckmann argue that language not only communicates meaning, but also shapes thought and perception. The authors introduce the idea of linguistic relativity, suggesting that the language we use influences how we perceive and understand the world around us. Through language, individuals can share experiences, create shared meanings, and negotiate the social constructions that define their reality. Social institutions and reality. Berger and Luckmann emphasize the importance of social institutions in the construction of reality. Institutions such as family, religion, education, and government provide frameworks through which individuals understand and navigate their world. These institutions emerge from the processes of externalization and objectivation, creating structured environments where individuals can interact and construct reality collectively. The authors explore how institutions are maintained through various means, such as socialization, which reinforces the norms and values associated with these institutions. Socialization is a critical process through which individuals learn the accepted behaviors and beliefs of their society, ensuring the continuity of social constructs across generations. The relativity of reality. One of the significant contributions of Berger and Luckmann's work is the notion that reality is relative and contingent upon social contexts. They argue that different societies may construct different realities based on their unique historical, cultural, and social circumstances. This perspective challenges the idea of a singular, objective reality, highlighting the diversity of human experiences and the multiplicity of meanings that can emerge from social interactions. The authors also discuss how conflicts can arise when differing realities clash, leading to social tensions and upheaval. This aspect of their theory underscores the dynamic nature of reality and the ongoing negotiation that occurs within societies as individuals and groups vie for the recognition and legitimacy of their constructed realities. Implications for understanding social change. Berger and Luckmann's theory has profound implications for understanding social change. Since reality is socially constructed, it can be altered through shifts in social interactions, values, and institutions. The authors suggest that when individuals challenge existing social constructs or introduce new ideas, they can initiate processes of change that reshape the collective understanding of reality. This perspective opens up avenues for exploring how social movements, revolutions, and other forms of collective action can transform societal norms and beliefs. By recognizing the constructed nature of reality, individuals and groups can engage in critical reflection and challenge taken for granted assumptions, paving the way for social innovation and reform. The Social Construction of Reality by Peter L. Berger and Thomas Luckmann is a seminal work that fundamentally reshapes our understanding of how reality is created and maintained within society. Through their exploration of externalization, objectivation, and internalization, the authors provide a robust framework for analyzing the social processes that underpin human experience. Their emphasis on language, social institutions, and the relativity of reality invites readers to critically examine the ways in which perceptions of reality are shaped by social contexts and interactions. The implications of their theory extend beyond sociology, influencing fields such as anthropology, psychology, and cultural studies.